All right, we're back here with question 39. And so this question says an insurance company selected a random sample of 250 of its life insurance claims in the year 1960. Of these 250 policyholders, 57 of them lived to be 100 years old. And in a random sample of 500 life insurance claims from the year 2013, the insurance company determined that 133 of these policyholders lived to be 100 years old. What is the point estimate for a 95% confidence interval for the difference in the proportion of policyholders that lived to be 100 years old in 1960 and 2013? Okay. All right, so let's begin with the first two lines there, where we get the sample size as well as the number of successes, number of people who lived to be 100 in 1960. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and calculate the sample proportion for 1960. Okay, and so we have there p hat 1, 57 out of 250, or almost 23%, okay, 0.228. Then in the next two lines, we get the sample size for the 2013 sample as well as the number of successes, 133. So we're going to calculate the sample proportion for that sample. Okay, we'll write it as p hat 2, 133 out of 500. We'll write it as a fraction first, and then that is just equivalent to about 26 or 27%. Okay. All right, so we've calculated our two sample proportions, and now we want to use those to get a point estimate for the difference. So just take the difference of your two sample proportions. Okay, so it's going to be p hat 1 minus p hat 2, 0.228 minus 0.266, which is about negative 0.038. Okay, so final answer there is D.